Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, deep-dive product reviews. Today we're looking at what's being hailed as the best hearing amplifier currently on the market, the BD-F2H Bone Conduction Hearing Amplifier. Rechargeable, noise-reducing, Bluetooth 5.3 enabled, and packed with intuitive features, this is not just a hearing amplifier. It's a lifestyle upgrade for seniors and anyone with mild to moderate hearing loss. Let's kick things off with the form factor and design. The BD-F2H doesn't look like your typical hearing aid. Instead of going in the ear, it uses bone conduction technology, meaning it rests on the outside of the ear and transmits sound vibrations directly through the bones of your skull. This open-ear design not only leaves the ear canal free for ambient sounds but also avoids discomfort from prolonged use. You can wear it for hours, and yes, even while jogging, thanks to its snug fit and IPX5 waterproof rating. Now let's talk features, because the BD-F2H isn't cutting corners. First, it comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.3. That means you can pair it with your smartphone, tablet, or even your TV, seamlessly. And with that connectivity comes excellent audio quality. Calls come in crisp, and streaming music or audiobooks is surprisingly immersive for a hearing amplifier. But where the BD-F2H really shines is in its intelligent 5-level memory volume control system. Each time you power it on, it remembers your last volume setting. So you're not constantly fumbling to readjust every time you wear it. More than that, it's got independent left and right volume control, a total game changer if your hearing isn't the same in both ears. Adjust each earpiece individually with dedicated physical buttons, which are tactile and easy to use even for seniors who may struggle with touchscreen controls. Battery life is another strong suit here. With a full charge, the BD-F2H gives you a solid day's worth of use, and it recharges quickly. The included USB-C cable means fast and convenient charging with the same cable you likely already use for your phone. Comfort is crucial for any device you wear for hours, and this product passes the test. It's lightweight, and since it doesn't plug your ears, you remain aware of your environment, which is essential for seniors who want both enhanced hearing and safety when walking or driving. It's close. If you're looking for advanced diagnostic hearing features, like those found in high-end clinical hearing aids, this might not be for you. But for anyone wanting a user-friendly, rechargeable, and noise-reducing hearing amplifier that also doubles as Bluetooth headphones, this is an excellent hybrid solution. To sum it up, the BD-F2H Bone Conduction Hearing Amplifier is smart, functional, and designed with the user in mind. It's not only changing how people hear, it's redefining how they live day to day with hearing support. Whether you're a senior or someone buying for a loved one, this device ticks all the boxes for clarity, comfort, and control. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the products that actually matter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.